First of all, what is electronics? Electronics is a branch of science which deal study of flow of electrons. In the BSc first entire, the electronics subject, there are two papers. One it is that the fundamental electronics for computer, and another it is that the discrete electronic for computer. The paper code is that BCS ET108. The first unit it is that the diode. Diode is the application of the semiconductor. So first question is that what is a semiconductor? Which material lies between conductor and insulator? It is known as semiconductor. So next question, what is a conductor? Which material that can be easy to pass the current? That is the conductor. And another it is that the easy cannot to pass the current, which material known as the non-conductor or insulator. It means semiconductor that can be lies between conductor and insulator. It is sometimes act as a conductor, it is sometimes act as a non-conductor or insulator. The semiconductor popular materials are silicon and germanium. In the silicon, there are 4 valence electrons in the outermost orbit. Because of in the periodic table, silicon and germanium are group 4 elements. There are group 4 elements. So 4 electrons are valence in the outermost orbit. The each electron that can be shared to the neighbor atom, and that can be creates the covalent bond or completes the covalent bond. See at the screen. At the time, current conductivity of material is 0 because of no free carriers in the material. Semiconductor have two types. One it is that the intrinsic or pure semiconductor, and another it is that the extrinsic semiconductor. In the extrinsic semiconductor, there are two types. One it is that the N-type semiconductor material, and another it is that the P-type semiconductor material. At the time, pentavalent impurity that can be added at the group 4 element, it means which material have a 5 electron valence in the outermost orbit. That is the phosphorus that can be added to the pure semiconductor material. For example, in the silicon, phosphorus that can be added. At the time, silicon 4 valence electrons that can be shared to the another or neighbor atom free electrons, and that can be creates the covalent bond. See at this screen. Same as to the phosphorus that can be shares 4 valence electron to the neighbor atom, but phosphorus have a 5 valence electron in the outermost orbit. These free electrons that can be breaks the covalent or bond, or that can be incomplete the covalent bond, that can be attract the electron and creates his own covalent bond, so that another free electrons comes and that can be breaks another covalent bond. This chain will be carry. So these free electrons can be moved at this material. So number of phosphorus that can be added in this material, number of free electrons can be moved or change the position in this material. When the the impurity added in the intrinsic semiconductor. This process known as the doping that can be increases current conductivity of semiconductor material. The another extrinsic semiconductor is p-type semiconductor, and we can take another example is germanium. In the germanium, similar to the silicon, that is the 4 valence electron in the outermost shell. At the time, trivalent impurity atom that can be added at the intrinsic semiconductor. It means the boron have in outermost orbit 3 valence electrons that can be added at the pure semiconductor. At the time, the 4 valence electron of germanium atom that can be shared to the valence electron to the neighbor atom, and that can be creates the covalent bond. Similar to the boron that can be shared 3 valence electron to the neighboring atom, but 1 electron are free to the neighbor atom because of boron have only 3 valence electrons. It cannot be complete the covalent bond, so these free electrons break the another covalent bond and complete its covalent bond. This chain will be carry on, so these holes can be moved at this material. Because of in the p-type semiconductor material, the holes are majority carriers, and in the n-type semiconductor material, the electrons are majority carrier. In the semiconductor material, we can use 2 ways to increase the current conductivity of the semiconductor. One, it is that we can increase the temperature of the material. That time the covalent bond that can be breaks and number of carriers are free in the material, but it is impossible to use. Another, it is that we can apply external electrical field at semiconductor material. That time current conductivity of the material that can be increases. Next, it is that the structure of the p-n junction diode. When the p-type material and n-type material that can be connected to each other, the p side is known as the anode and n side known as the cathode. Also, symbol of the p-n junction diode that can be seen at this screen. Next, when the p-type material and n-type material connected to each other, that time diffusion process is start. It means number of free holes in the p-type material that can be changed position to the n-type material because of the opposite attraction, and n-type free electrons that can be jumped to n-type to p-type because of opposite attraction. That time number of free holes can be changed the position p-type to n-type, and number of free electrons that can be changed to n-type to p-type. At the time number of electrons and holes losses his charges during the p side to n side and n side to p side and acquire the opposite charges. Example is that the holes can be change the position to p side to n side. At the time it can be losses positive ion or charge, and it can be acquire the negative ion. Similar to the electron jump to n side to p side. At the time losses his negative charge or ion and acquire the positive charge. This opposite charge of electron and holes comes at the center, and which cannot be jump electron n side to p side and holes cannot be changed the position to P side to N side. This region is known as the depletion region. The depletion region formed because of the diffusion. Next, it is that the diode has two conditions. One, it is that the forward bias condition, another it is that the reverse bias condition. When we can apply the external field, then there are different ways to connect external electrical field. First, it is that the external electrical field is battery. Positive terminal that can be connected to the P side and negative terminal of the battery that can be connected to the N side. It means positive terminal of the battery that can be connected to the anode and negative terminal of the battery that can be connected to the cathode. At the time, depletion region will be formed because of the diffusion. When positive holes that can be injected to the P side and negative electron that can be injected at the N side. At that time, the battery potential is equal to or greater than the depletion region. That time, size of the depletion region will be decreases and current can be flow to the diode. It means at the forward bias condition, diode act as a conductor. Next condition, it is that the reverse bias condition. In the reverse bias condition, battery terminal are connected to the opposite. It means negative terminal of the battery that can be connected to the P side means anode terminal, and positive terminal of the battery that can be connected to the N type means cathode terminal of the PN junction diode. The positive terminal number of holes that can be injected and negative terminal number of electron that can be injected. So, in the negative ion electron that can be injected at the P side, that can be losses is charges negative and that can be acquired the positive charges because of the depletion region size will be increases. It is the same as to the electron. Because of depletion region size is wide, so current carrier cannot be changed the P side to N side and N side to P side. It means PN junction diode in the reverse bias condition, it is act as a insulator or non-conductor.